Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Here I am discussing about road patterns in highway. There are different types of road patterns used in highways when the road is constructed in a pattern like rectangular pattern, radial pattern, hexagonal pattern, etc. For proper management of traffic, it is called a road pattern. The first pattern is rectangular or block pattern. Here we can see in this figure rectangular or block pattern. In this pattern, the whole area is divided into rectangular blocks. Branches of the road intersect each other at right angles. In this pattern, the main roads always pass through the center and it should be wide enough. The branch road may be narrow as compared to the main roads. The main roads should be provided with a direct approach to outside the city. Some of the advantages of rectangular or block patterns are: the first one is the rectangular block can be further fractioned into small rectangles that may be used for construction of buildings placed back to back, having roads on their front. It is widely adopted in city roads. Construction and maintenance of this type of road pattern is quite easy. Some of the disadvantages of rectangular road pattern is it is not convenient because roads are perpendicular to each other. This increases the rate of accident due to poor visibility at a perpendicular junction. The second type of road pattern is radial or star and block pattern. It is combination of star and block patterns. The entire area is divided into a radial network of roads radiating from the center outwardly with a block pattern network of roads in between the radial main street. Advantages of radial pattern are: first one is less risky as compared to the rectangular pattern. It reduces the level of congestion at the primary bottleneck location. If one radial road is blocked, then other road can be used as an alternative. Some of the disadvantages are lack of safety appurtenances like rail transitions, crash attenuators, and post support bays. It is only effective when two-lane ramp traffic does not have to merge at the downstream end of the ramp. Our next pattern is radial or star and circular pattern. Here is the diagram of radial and star circular pattern. It is the pattern in which the main roads radiates from the central point and are connected with concentric circles or roads that are also radiating outwardly. Some of the advantages of star and circular pattern are: it is safe as compared to above patterns because vehicles travel in the same direction. Roundabouts present in this pattern improves the efficiency of traffic flow. This also reduces fuel consumption and emissions of the vehicle. Using a circular pattern in place of traffic signals reduces the possibility of rear-end crashes. Disadvantages are: providing a good curve during the implementation of this road pattern is quite challenging. It affects the driving ability. There is necessary provision of traffic signal, road markings and lighting to alert the drivers that they are approaching a roundabout. Next road pattern is radial or star and grid pattern. This pattern is formed by combination of star and grid pattern. As in other, a radial network of road radiates from the center outwardly, then the main radial streets are interconnected by providing a grid pattern. Advantages are: it increases the efficiency of land use and unit density. It improves the traffic flow in both directions utilizing cellular structure. It provides high safety to vehicular traffic with a high proportion of three-way interconnections. It reduces the cut-through traffic. Some of the disadvantages are: splitter islands should be extended far enough. High construction cost because of the need for extra traffic signals, road markings and lightnings. Our next road pattern is hexagonal pattern. In this pattern, the entire area is divided into hexagonal pattern. In this pattern, three roads meet the built-up area boundary by the sides of hexagons at every corner of the hexagon, which can be further divided into suitable sizes. Next road pattern is minimum travel pattern. In this, the city center is connected with suburban centers and neighbor centers with the shortest roads to make the road short, and road alignment is made straight. So these were road patterns in highway engineering. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you do like the video, please subscribe the channel.